Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Students, today we'll start our next unit, Unit 10. Name of unit is measurement. Students, measurement. Measurement means to measure. What we have to measure? We will measure length, mass, and capacity. Students, you must have seen that distance between two cities is in kilometers, or length of a cricket pitch is in meters. So we are measuring length. Length will be measuring the distance between two objects or two places. We have just far we have seen the units meter, centimeter and kilometer. Today we will learn some new units of length. Students, around us everything is a matter that have some weight. Weight is called mass. Mass is measured in kilograms or grams. Now today also we will learn some new units of mass also. Next is capacity. Capacity means what a container can hold. A container can hold whatever is called its capacity. It is generally measured of the liquid things. Standard unit of capacity is liter. Just far we have studied about liter and milliliter. Today also we will learn some new units. Before we start new units of learning the measurements of length, mass and capacity, I want to tell you a little story. There was a king whose name was Harry. He died in a battle, but his mother didn't cry much because his mother was a brave lady, so she didn't cry. So when King Harry died, her grandmother, she was also a very brave lady, so she also didn't cry, and her wife also didn't cry. So story is King Harry died in a battle. Mother didn't cry much. उसकी जो मम्मी थी वो ज़्यादा नहीं रोई because she was a brave lady. So K for kilometer, H for hectometer, D for decameter, M for meter. This is the standard unit of length. M for meter. Next is D. D means decimeter, C for centimeter, M for millimeter. So from this story you will learn the new units of, first of all we are talking about length. When we will write mother, M represents meter. This M is the standard unit of length. This is the standard unit of length. Kilo, hecto and deca, these all are greater than meter. Deci, centi and millimeter, these are smaller than the standard unit of length. Okay, and all the units are connected to each other, related to each other as the multiples of 10. As we will move to the next step, we are moving from left to right, we will multiply by what? By the multiples of 10. And if we move from right to left to the back side, we will divide by the multiples of 10. Now next is mass. Mass means weight. So what is the unit of weight? It is gram. So we will use here grandmother. King Harry died. Grandmother didn't cry much. K for kilogram, H for hectogram, D for decagram and G for gram. This gram is the standard unit of weight. D for decigram, C for centigram, M for milligram. Now we know that kilo, hecto and deca are greater than gram. Deci, centi and milligrams are smaller than grams. They are also related to each other by the multiples of 10. In this also same rule will be followed. If we will move from left to right, we will multiply, and if we move from right to left, we will divide. This is the biggest unit of weight, kilogram, and smallest is milligram. Greatest, then smaller, and this is the smallest. Now we will talk about capacity. Capacity is what a container can hold. Now standard unit of capacity is liter, so it is denoted by lady. King Harry died, lady didn't cried much. K for kiloliter. Now because we are talking about liters capacity, so kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. These all also are connected or related to each other by the multiples of 10 10 10. This is the greatest unit and this is the smallest unit. When we'll move from bigger to smaller, we will multiply. If we are moving from smaller to bigger, then we will divide.